What's up guys, it's your girl Samara and I'm back with another video. Period. Today your girl's gonna be doing a natural hair journey video. I'm gonna be explaining to y'all how I overcame heat damage, how I grew up my hair, how I got my hair to get thicker, and some other tips and tricks. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. And let's get into the video. I'm gonna just give an overview of my hair. My hair has always been long, has always been natural, never permed. It's like, it was always looking good. My mom used to always do my hair, so like, I'm guessing when your mom is doing your hair is like always maintained and kept well, because black mothers like to do them little protective styles, you know, with them little barrettes and all that. Your girl got to middle school, and in 6th grade, my mom still did my hair. That was when I started resisting my mom doing my hair, because I mean, I'm in middle school, I'm over here thinking I'm grown, so like I should start doing my hair. At some points in 6th grade, I started asking my mom if she can do different hairstyles, because she would always do these twists on me. Flash forward into 7th grade and 8th grade, that's when I started to take more control of my hair. I never washed my hair myself, but I would like do hairstyles like buns. That's when my hair started breaking, because it's like I was doing my hair for the fun of it. I was never really doing it to like actually like keep my hair growing. My hair has never been as long as it was when I was younger. I always straightened my hair yearly to get a trim, and my hair never reacted horrible at all. Like, my hair never acted horrible and never acted against the heat, because it was so infrequent of me to get my hair straight. It was never like an issue. In December of 8th grade, I straightened my hair to get a trim. After that, my hair reverted back to my curls, and then I straightened my hair again at the end of 8th grade for 8th grade graduation. And then it's time for me to wash my hair a few weeks later, and my mom is washing my hair, and we see that my hair is not reverting back. Like, it's not reverting back at all. Washing it over and over, and like my hair strands are just not turning curly. Like, they were just straight. They're like bone straight. So I hit up my hairdresser, and I'm like, oh, my hair is not reverting back, this and that, because I was panicking, because I'm in love with my hair. Like, I don't know what I would do without my hair. I was panicking. I was crying in the bathroom. I texted my hairdresser. I was like, oh, my hair is not reverting, this and that. Did you put this and this in my hair? She texted me, oh, it's just gonna take a couple of minutes for it to revert back. Did you try washing it? Like, a bunch of like excuses or whatnot. And then she was like, oh, you can come into my studio and I can try to wash off all the products I put on your hair when I straightened it. So we went to her studio, and then she washed my hair, and then it still didn't revert back. Like, it was evident I had heat damage. She braided my hair for me, and then the next day I was able to like do a little braid out, but like my ends were still dead. So I'm gonna start inserting photos for y'all now. Okay, so in 2017, this is how my hair looked. It looked damaged. It looked just straight, like bone straight. Like, there was no evidence of curls. My roots weren't even as curly. It was really, really horrible. I literally went in the bathroom, ran in the bathroom, and cried. Like, I cried in the bathroom, because it was just like, oh my god, like my hair is done. Like, my hair is done. So that was in the summer of 2017 that like I got my heat damage. Your girl decided to create a whole a memo. This is where I'm showing you all these pictures on. I created a memo so I can be able to get my hair back to how it's supposed to be, because I don't play with my hair. I don't play with my hair at all. I did my research. I started researching products I can use to transition my hair back, products that can help you bring shine and moisture and all that in your hair. And then I started finding treatments I can do, like avocado treatment. I began doing protective styles. So basically what I did is I would keep my hair in low buns. Like, I wouldn't like comb out my hair that much, because even me keeping it in low buns, like my hair was so stringy, it was horrible. Try to put less gel on it. And then I did protective styling. So I did cornrows. Following cornrows, I did box braids to go into the school year. After I took out those braids, my hair started to like wave back up. See a bunch of stringy parts, but you can still see like in the beginning of the roots it's starting to like wave back up. And that was after I had my cornrows and after I had my box braids. I'm not sure what I did in between the period of September and January because I did not list anything in between that time, but I'm pretty sure during that time I kept a consistent like regimen. So I was doing hair masks. Like I did a lot of mayo masks, especially mayo masks, because those masks really help. Like it helps thicken your hair a lot. So I did mayo masks. I did a Shea Moisture mask also, and I'm gonna put it on the screen too. I never wanted to cut my hair. Like I never wanted to get the big chop because I always had hope, like deep down I had hope in my hair that it was gonna come back. Fast forward into January, mom decided to cut my ends because we were keeping on to them dead ends, and we started to realize that some of these parts of my hair aren't gonna revert back. We cut my ends in January 5th. My hair is starting to get a little bit volume now because it was more stringy before. There's a lot of dead ends. I cannot stress this enough. Those protein masks saved me. Like literally, those protein masks really saved me because I never did protein masks before, but these protein masks really help revert my hair back. This is my hair when it was at its stretched out moment in February. You could see how it's like very stringy. Like you could really see how stringy it is. So this is how my hair looks when it was really stretched out. February 3rd, that's my hair in a ponytail when it was stretched out, no heat, no nothing. February 21st, 2018, your girl got her hair trimmed. It's like half a year later, I got my hair trimmed after being very conscious of putting heat in my hair. So I got my hair blow dried. I didn't straighten it, I just got it blow dried, low settings, and my hair is a tad bit short. Like it's really short, like it's up to here. 2 days later, your girl washed her hair because, like I said, after getting heat damage, I was not playing with it. So 2 days later, your girl washed her hair, and you can see my mom doing my hair, and there's a lot of volume. Like it's not as stringy. You can see that like it's getting more plumped. In the picture, she was putting conditioner because we started to deep condition. Deep condition is very good for your hair. So if you are transitioning, deep condition your hair. So she was putting conditioner in my hair, and you can see that my hair was just way more voluminous, like way more compared to the beginning to now. Like my hair started to transition a lot. I was in the span of like 6 months. Then fast forward to May, my hair is curling more. Like my curl pattern is changing. Like you could see it here. Like this was like the first time like my hair was this curly since I got my hair straightened and it got damaged. This was on May 4th, and my curls are coming back. I still have like straight ends in the front, but like overall, like my curls started to like shape up. It started to get more kinky, and you know, your girl was feeling it. So in the beginning, I took more pictures of my curls, but then I realized that I needed to take pictures of my hair when it's stretched out. I would always stretch out my hair, comb it out, and that was bad. I'm telling you, that's really bad, especially if you're transitioning. Like try to reduce the amount of time you're combing out your hair. But here in May 19th, I started to peep how my hair was like making its shape. Like it was really confining to its shape. Started to get previews of a little fro. And I show y'all in this picture right here. And I also try to put my hair in a low. When your hair is like very kinky like that, it shouldn't be going straight down like that. Like not unless you straightened it or blow dried it. So on May 20th, I took a picture of me doing a low, and it shows a complete difference from the first time I did a low because it started to take its shape. I keep saying that, but my hair was shaping out, so you can see that it's more circular and it's more like puffy. May 26th, this is my hair after I washed it. You can see that most of the dead hair that was on my roots and like coming down was kinky at this point. Like it was very kinky, like it transitioned back. June 2nd, 2018, almost a year since I got heat damage, my hair was capable of doing a fro like thingy. So it wasn't like a full fro, but it was puffy enough to be a fro if I wanted it to be. July 13th, my hair was like completely like new. Way much of an improvement since the year before. So this was a year after, and this is how my hair looks still see there is dead ends because I was holding on to a lot of dead ends because I didn't want to cut it, but I still cut it gradually. Like I would do a little like trim after I would braid my hair after I washed my hair. Oh, by the way, I look ugly in these pictures, so don't clown me, okay? Just focus on the hair. And then July 22nd, I was able to put my hair in a puff, like a puff, because I was not able to put my hair in a puff since I got my heat damage because of how stringy it was, and it would just droop right down. On July 22nd, you could see 2018, this is in 2018, you could see that I'm able to put it up in a puff. Like it has shape, it has volume, I could put it up. So that's it. 1 month later, my curl pattern has changed completely. This was all without a big chop. That was my new curl pattern. Like my curl pattern was so different. 1 month after that, so September 22nd, my curl pattern has really changed. You don't see the dead ends as much. Like there's not much dead ends at all in this video, and I'm just showing y'all the length of my hair. Just some more videos and pictures of my hair during October. Was all in 2018. 2018, towards the middle of 2018, my hair started to go back to how it was supposed to be. Like my hair like went back to its old state in the middle of 2018. So that's like 1.5 years later. I'm gonna give y'all a slideshow of how my hair started looking from that period and after, because I feel like y'all got the gist and I don't need to talk through the rest. So this is the slideshow. Give y'all the flat out tips on when you want to transition your hair. Like the most major thing, no heat at all. No heat. Don't do it. To this day, I have not straightened my hair. It has been 3 years. Don't do it. I recommend you not to do it. Number 2, protein masks. Any mask you can put on your hair that will help it, I recommend that. Number 3, less manipulation. Like do not manipulate your hair at all. Like manipulate it when you need to. You know you have a little school break, a winter break, November break, and you know you ain't going nowhere. You know you're being a homebody. Don't be trying to do all this extraness with your hair. Like don't be trying to do all of that, because in the long run it's gonna kill you. So less manipulation, and make sure you get trims too. Like I know, like I said, no heat, but there are some hair salons that know how to do trims while your hair is curly, and some people can do it while it's blow dried at a low setting. Like still get trims, like cut off the ends that you know aren't gonna revert back. Just make sure you get the right products too. Sometimes it's not even all about the products, it's all about how you handle your hair, but ultimately sometimes it is the product. So try to get sulfate free shampoos, and that's what I have been getting sulfate free shampoos because those dry out your hair. So get sulfate free shampoos. Like read the ingredients on your products you use, because I remember at one point I used Cantu and I realized that it had alcohol in it, and I saw that from YouTube, and I never really checked myself. I did check, but I didn't really understand like what the labeling meant, but I just stopped using it because like I couldn't risk it. Watch the products you use, and if you use a product that can damage you, like Eco Stellar Gel, use it like not as much. Like try to use it at a bare minimum so it's not like damaging your hair. The way my hair flourished after I got heat damage and was able to come back without me doing a big chop may not apply to everybody else. I feel like it should, but like we never know. I hope y'all enjoy this transitioning video. I get a lot of questions on like how'd you grow your hair out and this and that. Not a lot of people know I had heat damage. I was not proud of my heat damage at all, and I did not want to show it, and I did not want to tell people at all. I just wanted to show y'all so y'all can like learn from me. That's that for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was a little bit longer. If you stayed to the end, you're real. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything else you may want to see in the future. Girl is almost at 1K subscribers, so it would really do me a good deed if you subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.